Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. Was is the past tense of the verb to be. It is used to describe an action that happened in the past. To one person, to thing. For example, he was cooking. When to use was. Use was when the subject of the sentence is singular. Example: I, he, she, it, or a singular noun. Examples of was in a sentences. She was tired yesterday. She was tired yesterday. The movie was really good. The movie was really good. He was at the park yesterday. He was at the park yesterday. It was sunny day. It was sunny day. She was late for the meeting. She was late for the meeting. He was the winner of the competition. He was the winner of the competition. The party was a blast. The party was a blast. She was happy with her test result. She was happy with her test result. It was a difficult decision to make. It was a difficult decision to make. She was a talented musician. She was a talented musician. He was lost in thought. He was lost in thought. It was quite an peaceful morning. It was quite an peaceful morning. She was the CEO of the company. She was the CEO of the company. It was long journey. It was long journey. I was busy. I was busy. The cake was a masterpiece. The cake was a masterpiece. He was a master chef. He was a master chef.